Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing zoom intro animation effect in PowerPoint. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the Insert tab. Click on Stock Images, choose any image you like, and insert it into your slide. Now, select a round shape from the Shapes menu and drag it to the center of the slide. Duplicate this shape 3 times. After that, select all the shapes, and align them to the center and middle. Next, go to the Shape Format tab. Change the shape fill color to black and set the outline color to white. Right-click on one of the shapes, select Format Shape, and adjust the transparency to 85%. Once that's done, insert a text box and type in your text. Place it right in the center of the slide. Now, let's move on to animations. Select all the round shapes, go to the Animations tab, and choose the Fade animation. Open the animation pane to check the sequence. For some extra effect, add a grow/shrink animation to the round shapes. Set the fade animations to a duration of 0.20 seconds and make them play with the previous animations. Then, adjust the grow/shrink animations to reduce the size to 50%. Add delays to create a cascading effect, 0.20 seconds for the second shape, 0.40 seconds for the third, and 0.60 seconds for the last. To make it even better, select all the grow/shrink animations, go to the trigger option, and assign them to their corresponding shapes. Open the Effect Options panel, set the size to 700%, and click OK. Play the animation once to see how it looks. Next, select the picture you inserted earlier. Add a fade-out animation and place it at the end of the animation sequence. Set the duration to 0.20 seconds and a delay of 0.75 seconds. For the text, add a fade animation as well. Move it to the end of the sequence and set the duration to 0.30 seconds with a 1-second delay. Now for the final touch, go to the Insert tab, select Video, and choose a stock video to insert. Once it's added, send it to the back using the Video Format tab. And that's it. Your zoom intro animation effect is complete. Play your slide to see the final result. Thank you so much for watching.